Simple review of ASUS RTX 53U, AX1800. 1. Overview. The ASUS RTX 53U is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router designed to deliver fast internet speeds and strong coverage for your home. It is great for streaming videos, playing online games, and connecting multiple devices at once. 2. Key features. Wi-Fi standard. This router uses the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, which means it's faster and more efficient than older Wi-Fi versions. Speed. It can offer speeds up to 1,800 megabits per second, with up to 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, ideal for high-performance tasks, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, great for basic browsing. Connections. It has 4 ports for wired devices and 1 USB port that allows you to share files or printers with others on your network. 3. Performance. The router can handle many devices at the same time without slowing down thanks to its technology called MU-MIMO, which lets it talk to multiple devices at once. It also has beamforming technology, which sends stronger signals directly to your devices instead of spreading them all around. This helps eliminate dead spots where the Wi-Fi might be weak. 4. Easy to use. Setting up the RTX 53U is user-friendly. You can use the ASUS Router app on your smartphone to quickly configure and manage your network. This makes it easy to control who connects to your Wi-Fi, set up a guest network, and monitor device activity. The web interface is also straightforward for those who prefer using a computer. 5. Safety and security. The router includes strong security features to keep your network safe from online threats. With eye protection, you get continual monitoring and protection against malicious sites and potential vulnerabilities. You can also set parental controls to manage your kids' internet usage and keep them safe online. 6. Range and coverage. Users have found that the RTX 53U can cover larger homes efficiently, providing a reliable connection throughout. Many have reported that they have good Wi-Fi signals even in different rooms, which is great for streaming or gaming in various areas of your home. Final thoughts. Overall, the ASUS RTX 53U AX1800 router is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a reliable internet connection with modern features. Whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or just browsing the web, this router is designed to keep everything running smoothly. It's a great option for homes with multiple devices, and its easy setup and solid security features make it accessible and safe for all users.